Hello. Well, today I am in my first fishing tournament, first kayak fishing tournament. Super excited about it. We're on Lake Barnett, just outside of Beebe, Arkansas. And as you can see, it's really foggy out there right now. I'm hoping we're even getting a good picture. But yeah. This is my first time, so we'll see how it goes. I don't expect to do real well. I just expect to learn a lot. And really cold out here. It's like 34 degrees this morning. Yeah, it's supposed to get a little sunny later, so hopefully that'll help. I'm not going to be concentrating on filming very much, so hopefully I'll catch myself catching a few fish. But I'm going to concentrate on the catching instead of the filming more today, so I don't know how much good footage I'll get, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm fixing to get out there. All the other guys have left. I'm not in a rush to get out there because this is my first time and I'm just trying to learn. And yeah, it's going to be a good day even if I don't catch any fish. So we'll see you guys on the other side. Let's get fishing. All right, here we go, first tournament. This ought to be a learning experience. All right, first cast of my first tournament. Not a good cast. Alright, well, my first tournament fish. He's a little guy, but it's the first one. That's awesome. Not sure he's going to make the cut. They got to be 10 inches. Maybe. Alright, so I caught my first tournament fish. Put him on the measuring board. He was just over the limit, so he was legal, but he was a little guy. Took my picture and my phone shut down, and it won't come back on. I don't know what's going on, but I have to have my phone to take pictures. So going back to the shore going back to the boat ramp to try to take care of my phone and see what's going on. So I'm not sure if I got all that on camera or not a minute ago, so I'm going to say it again. It's out there, caught my first tournament fish ever. I got him on the measuring board and snapped a picture, and my phone immediately shut down. It showed it had most of a full charge this morning, so I don't know what happened. I don't know if the buttons were being pressed in my pocket or what was going on. So anyway, I've got a backup battery that I carry with me, but I'm a dummy and I couldn't reach it in the back of my boat, so I had to come back to the boat ramp, hook it up, there it is right there, and get my phone to charging. So however long that takes to get it going again, before I can start fishing again. Do me no good to catch a fish now until my phone can take a picture. So that's the deal right now. A little disappointed, but this is my first experience, so we'll take our knocks as they come and learn from it. So I'll see you when I get back out on the water. Alright, I got my phone up to about 25% in the truck, and then I put it on my external portable charger to keep it going for a while. I got it up enough to I think where I can risk going back out. So here we go. Alright, I've come up in this little creek here. It's really a beautiful area with the rock bluffs and everything. So, came up in here to get out of the wind. It was starting to pick up quite a bit. All the other guys went down the other end of the lake where the dam is, and there's much deeper water. But I don't have a pedal kayak, so I really can't deal with that wind. And it's quite a ways down there. So I'm gonna fish up in this creek a little ways, and then in about an hour and a half it's gonna be time to head back to the weigh-in. Turn in my little old 10 3/4 inch bass. Hopefully I'll catch another one between now and then though. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me in this wind or not, but that's it. My first tournament is over. I caught 2 little dink fish. Only one was the legal size for the tournament. So I don't expect it to do me any good. But hey, you never know. Maybe nobody else caught anything. So anyway, I'll see you in a bit.